Sawadika everyone, welcome to Carve Food Stylist. In this section, I'm going to show you how to create a simple sunflower from carrot, just like this one, easy and simple, without any more difficult carving. It just slice and then a little cut from the center. You create this beautiful and lovely sunflower from carrot. You can use daikon radish or any type of head vegetable. So no further ado, let's get started, guys. Let me put this back in the water. I'm using carrot that have a large head. You're gonna need to cut the length of the carrot. Here is determine the width of your the height of your sunflower petals. I would say about 2 inches. Don't get it too long, otherwise it's gonna be too the petal will be too long for sunflower. Okay, then you're gonna carve the side of slide off the side of the carrot here to get 5 section, flatten area, so we can work this area into a petals. I'm cutting from the bottom, okay? The top part is on this side, okay? So you have 5 sections here. Then flip it over. You're gonna have to slide, thin slide on this flat section here. Keep your finger, hold on to your piece there so it won't slippery out from slit and cut this section off. You keep them attached to the carrot here. Make sure you find a knife that it had a dull headed so it doesn't cut through your next piece that you already cut. See, the tip might expose and cut your slice there. Okay, and keep your finger away from the, hold on to the part of your carrot there and slide your last piece, because sometimes the knife is gonna cut through your piece there. So you have 5 sections just like that. Okay, after you cut your first layer, you need to cut your second layer. Cut off this corner by square them out. Take that corner out to be a flat surface that we can work with. Okay, now after you have square off the side corner to be a working surface, then go ahead again, thin slice. Wiggle the vegetable so the knife slide through. I'm gonna use my shell here or the guard to protect the cutting. Okay. Now you had second layer already complete. Now we're gonna cut another layer, same thing. So what you need to do, square off again one more time. That's why you need a larger head of carrot. You need 3 layers at least. then slide off. Okay, there you go. Now after we have complete all 3 layers, we need to trim off the petal here. So you're gonna need a piece of plastic or foam, whatever you need to be part of your cutting board here, personal shell to protect from cutting here. And what you need to do, you're gonna curve slightly on one corner of the slice, okay, both sides, left and right. Like that. I can see that there. And then you're gonna split half and then curve one in toward the first cut that you have made and then bring to the other side. So you can split cut with 2 slice or petals of a sunflower. Again, trim the corner on both sides. Split half, bring it to meet that corner you just cut, so you get 2 petals. Make sure you work 1 layer at a time. Work on the outer layer first, okay? Don't be jumping back and forth, in and out, because different layers have a different height. One last one on first layer. Okay, there you go. Now let's cut our second layer, because when we slice it like this, it's gonna be a gap here. You see a gap? That means that the second slice have to be the same height with the first one to reduce the gap or cover this space here, okay? To hide that, so we need to have the same height. Go ahead and trim it out. See there? It will cover this area here, become rounded shape, so it fools the eye that you are carving instead of slice and cutting, okay? Continue cutting. Okay, there you go. we have complete our second layer. See there? Now, before we cut our last layer, you're gonna trim off this center here. Let me reduce the corner for an easier cut. Okay, you need to lower the center to become a center of our sunflower. Okay, now let's trim our last layer here. So using the shell here, can you see there? Use a plastic plate or some sort, or bottle, whatever you can find. Okay, we want to reduce this layer a little shorter. When you split it, you bring it not all the way to the top. You gotta slightly curve off to reduce the height of the second layer. See there? It becomes shorter. Okay, that's why I say don't be jump in and out cut because you think they are the same. You want to create a realistic carving, then you need to pay attention to your work. Voila. Okay, there you go. You almost there, it's almost finished. Now we have the center here. We need to trim it. So I'm gonna lower a little bit more and try to clean up this square center, become a rounded shape. Okay, once you have the shape going and you think you like it, then we're gonna go ahead create our center to a checkerboard cutting. Try to carve into a dome, not a flat. So when you cut a checkerboard, there you will see better than the flat one. Okay, just go ahead and cut into a triangle or triangle into each section. Go the other side. Slant your knife so they both meet at the center Okay. Okay, that's it. Your pretty sunflower all complete and finished. See there? Easy and simple. Okay, what do you think, guys? Beautiful sunflower carving here. Easy and simple. See there? I hope you like this technique and video that I put together for you. Thank you for watching, and you stay carving and take care, and I will see you again next video. Thank you for watching, guys. สวัสดีค่ะ See you later.